Cells are to keep living things alive, such as plants and animals that keep us alive.
Ribosomes make the protein in your body, such as making a cake.
Nucleus, the control center of your cell. Golgi body packages up the protein. The mighty
Mitochondrion is the powerhouse of cells,
burns food for energy.
Mitochondrion is your muscles. What are we doing? Dancing. We can jump. We can clap. Cells make us alive. Hello.